Hello everyone, here are the installation instructions for the AI Interactive Display Wall Solution base frame. First, face the hexagonal base frame up. Use a marker to mark the 6 hole positions. Remove the installation base frame and drill holes according to the marks made. If installing on a hard wall like cement, you will need to use an M6 drill bit to drill holes at the marked positions. The drilling depth should be around 35 millimeters. Then insert the yellow drywall anchor plastic expansion tube M6*30 to fix the hexagonal base frame with the pan head self-tapping screw M4*20. If it is installed on a wooden board, you will need to use an M3 drill bit to drill holes at the marked positions. The drilling depth should be around 25 millimeters to fix the hexagonal base frame with the pan head self-tapping screw M4*20. Place the DC12V4A power adapter into the hexagonal base frame. You can use Velcro to stick it firmly. If the power socket is set inside the hexagonal base frame, the power plug can be directly inserted inside. If the power socket is set outside the hexagonal base frame, the DC12V4A power adapter's wire can come out from the wire slot. Plug the DC5521 connector into the 3 DC5521 female sockets on the back of the case frame to complete the power connection. Use 6 crosshead hexagon screws M4*8 to fix the case frame onto the 6 reserved M4 threaded holes on the hexagonal base frame. That's the entire process of installing the AI Interactive Display Wall hexagonal base frame.